Hello everybody, I hope you're ready to learn. Let's start off our day with mind moves. Let's do our finger exercise first. Are you ready? You must count to 10 with me and squeeze them as tight as you can. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For the second time, let's go from the top again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Squeeze as tight as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, everybody. Are you ready to do your tongue exercise? Remember, you stick it as wide as you can. Let's do our tongue exercise. Stick out your tongue. Stick it out. One last time, stick it out. Let's open our mouth. Good job, everybody. 2 tummy thumb, pizza pointers. 1 on top, 1 at the bottom. Let's rub. Good job, everybody. Now we have to switch on our brain. That's our last mind move. So today, let's rub our ears. Remember, all the way from the top. Rub, rub, rub. All the way nicely to the bottom. Good job, everybody. Again, all the way from the top. Rub, 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 everybody. You're doing very well, boys and girls. It shows that you are ready to learn. Good job all the way to the bottom. Well done. One last time all the way from the top. Rub, rub, rub. Yes. Rub, rub, rub all the way to the bottom. Good job, everybody. Now are you ready to sing our hello songs? Hello, everybody. Hello to you. How are you? How do you do? Hello, everybody at home today. Hello, hello to you. Hello, 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 hello. Wrinkle your fingers and wrinkle your toes. Hello, 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 hello. Wriggle your knees and wrinkle your nose. Dance and sing with you, round the ring with you, songs to share with you everywhere. Dance and sing with you, round the ring with you, songs to share with you everywhere. Good job, everybody. See you soon. Love you. Bye.